everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Cook Like a Japanese channel. I'm Ryo. Today we're making chicken skin seasoned with ponzu. You know, chicken skin is quite popular ingredient here in Japan, especially in izakaya restaurant, which might mean dine-in sake shop, like Midnight Diner on Netflix. You know, we got two versions for chicken skin seasoned with ponzu. One is crispy one, that is pan-fried one. The other one is wobbly one. Today I'm gonna make it wobbly. I'm going to shimmer it. It goes super easy, super simple, and the taste will be super yummy. Alright, let's get started. The ingredients for chicken skin seasoned with ponzu are only two. One is of course chicken skin and the other one is scallion. Scallion is to be used for garnish, so you can switch it into green onion, leek onion or stuff like that. And this is quite optional, but today I'm going to have the third ingredient, that is grated daikon radish. Because daikon always goes really well with ponzu sauce. For seasoning you need 1 tablespoon of ponzu sauce, plus you need a bit of lemon juice or sake to shimmer the chicken skin. And if you have shichimi togarashi, which is 7 taste pepper, just go ahead and use it for garnish. We got only 3 steps to make chicken skin seasoned with ponzu. Step number 1 is preparing ingredients. First thing you do is to add some salt on the chicken skin and leave it for a while. You're supposed to rinse it afterwards, and it helps to remove the unwanted smell from the chicken skin. Then cut the scallion into pieces and grate the daikon radish and set them aside. Then rinse the chicken skin with water. Step number 2 is to shimmer the chicken skin. Again, you need to remove the unwanted smell, so I recommend you to pour just a bit of lemon juice or sake in water in the pan. Bring it to a boil and add in the rinsed chicken skin and shimmer it for about 10 minutes with medium heat. Just skim the scone during heating, and when it's heated, just pick up the chicken skin out of the pan. Don't throw the soup, because you can make it to a nice Chinese soup, or you can use it for the broth of some noodles as well. So when you pull out the chicken skin from the pan, then cut it into bite-sized pieces. Just be careful with the heat, try not to burn yourself. The last step, step 3, is to season. Mix the cut chicken skin with grated daikon, pour 1 tablespoon of ponzu, sprinkle some shichimi togarashi, and put a cut scallion on it for garnish. Then it's ready to go. Sounds easy, doesn't it? So why don't we go on to step 1? Alright, it's time to go to step 1. The first thing you do in step 1 is to add some salt on chicken skin. Give it a nice mix and set it aside for a while. During that, why don't we prepare other ingredients? I rinsed the scallion, so I cut off the gluten and cut into pieces and make it small. Okay, I guess it's done. So put it in a plate or something like that. Right, why don't we go on to daikon stuff? I guess this big is enough for today's amount of chicken skin. Chicken skin we use 280 grams. Rinse it and then peel the skin with knife. Katsuramuki, or you can use peeler. If you don't like to do this, go ahead and use a peeler. Right, grate the daikon. Okay, the daikon is grated, so why don't we rinse the chicken skin? Okay, it's time to rinse the chicken skin. Okay, why don't you rinse the chicken skin with water? Okay, I believe it's rinsed. So why don't we go on to step 2? Why don't we go on to step 2? Step 2 is to shimmer the chicken skin. In a pan like this, pour water and add in just 1 or 2 drops of lemon juice and give it to a boil. Right now the waters get boiled, so why don't you add in the chicken skin and turn the heat in a medium, then shimmer it for about 10 minutes. Right, just keep on skimming the scum while you're heating the chicken skin. Yeah, there you go. Right. Okay. Alright, now 10 minutes has passed, so why don't you stop the heat and pull out the chicken skin. It's gonna take a year to pick it up and to use this. Pretty easy. Right, this chicken skin is pretty small, so I'm gonna skip the cutting step. Alright, why don't we go on to step 3. Step 3 is to season the chicken skin. In a bowl like this, put the chicken skin, cut chicken skin, and grated daikon. You're gonna remove the excess water with the paper towel. Yeah, just squeeze it. Okay, time to go. Adding the grated daikon, radish, wait, and there. Give it a nice mix. Well, it looks nice. Yeah, I guess it's time to apply the chicken skin seasoned with ponzu. Before you play it, just add in the 1 tablespoon of ponzu in it. Wow, and give it a nice mix. Yeah, it looks awesome. Great. Yeah. And plate it. Yeah, it looks great. Yeah, it looks good. It looks good. And add some garnish on it. Look at how the seasoning. Oh yeah, it goes well. Yeah, so the chicken skin seasoned with ponzu is ready to go. Looks awesome, isn't it? Right now, you know to make chicken skin seasoned with ponzu is pretty easy, isn't it? So why don't you give a try at your home? Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then just hit the thumbs up button, leave some messages down below, and subscribe. Thanks for watching again. See you in the next video. Take good care. Arigato. Bye.